Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. Today we're getting into these mini braids. Now, I am a mini braid girly, but I wanted to try it with my extra QVR human hair that I had. So I used the bulk hair, added it in, and it added a little extraness to my braids, and I was loving it. So let's get into the video. So we're starting off on freshly washed hair. I'm just showing you guys what I'm using. I'm using the Color Wow Bond Building Spray. I use this kind of like as a leave-in conditioner, leave-in treatment. So I spray this all around first, making sure that it's getting everywhere. And then I'm following up with my Rizzo Curls Heat Protection Multivitamin Leave-In. Now this leave-in, it says it has heat protection in it, so I like to use this a lot before I get into actually blow drying my hair. So I like to put the leave-in on my hands and then run it through. Once I run the leave-in through, I like to go in with my actual heat protectant and spray that all around before actually making sure that I got the products on every single strand of hair. So now I'm just going in with my Denman brush, and I'm using that to just smooth out my hair and make sure that the product is completely spread even. So now that we're all brushed up, I'm going in with my Dyson blow dryer with the brush attachment, and I'm just using this to blow dry my entire head. So I like to go in sections. It's nothing really special, just making sure that the hair is completely dry. So now that I have finished, I'm going through, I took the nozzle off of the blow dryer, and I like to just go through and make sure that my roots are dry. And then I'm going to follow up with my Denman brush again, just to brush through and make sure everything is completely dry before we actually start braiding it down. So Bobby is growing, like, I don't know, we almost like we're giving shoulder length. So I'm getting really hyped that my hair is growing. I recently got some bangs cut so that it could lay better when it's curly, but that's a whole nother story. Y'all know how I get. So I'm going in, I'm starting off parting my hair. So I'm parting my hair from ear to ear first. I'm gonna tie away the front section, and I like to braid the back section first just to get that out the way, and then the front section is easier because you can see up there. I don't know, the back section always just takes the longest to me, so I like to get the hardest part out the way. So I'm just showing you guys the remaining bulk hair that I have. I have the color that I have is 99J, and I got the 20-inch bundles for the QVR human bulk hair. And I believe in total I got 5 bags. So for the mini twist, I used, I believe, 2 bags, and then for the braids I used 3. So one thing I want to mention, when you're going in with the braiding hair, you want to make sure that you take it out of the net before separating it so that you don't get any short pieces. Now for styling products, I'm literally only using my growth greaves. My Mimis, y'all already know I still sell my products, so you guys can shop. The link down below in the description box. So for the mini braids, you want to start off with a regular plait braid. You're going to take a small piece of hair, you're going to add it in between your pointer and your middle finger, and then you're going to use your hands to kind of twist the hair first before you continue braiding. And then you're just going to continue braiding down, and once the braids start splitting out, you want to keep adding pieces for each braid. For the back half of my head, I probably used about 3 to 4 pieces, but I did add more once I got to the top, just because, you know, you have to add more hair so that it falls evenly. Honestly, the process is not hard. Personally, I believe that the braids were easier than the twists, but that's just my preference. I'm not really a twist girl to begin with. So I did this process around the entire head. For me, when I do these kind of styles, I don't need it to be like super duper neat. I like for it to look like neat, but like natural neat, if that makes sense. Like not too polished. I don't like to put all the edge controls and all that stuff on my scalp because my scalp gets really sensitive. So I'm braiding down, and as you guys can see, I'm kind of leaving the ends undone, and I'm leaving them undone so that I can get that curl at the end of the braid once I go in and define them. So we're following this method for the entire head. back half, and I wanted to show you guys what I was working with. And honestly, at this point I was getting a little nervous, so I was like, let me try to define these real quick and see what they really giving before I get to the front of my head. I went in with my spray bottle, just drenched the braids and made sure that I got the ends. I'm going in with that and just putting it all over the braids, the roots, the ends, everything, and it instantly started defining the curls, and it was giving what it was supposed to give. So after this, I was like, okay, let me go ahead and continue. The back is completely finished. For the front, I don't know how I came up with this method, but I was making braiding my hair so much more difficult. So instead of giving myself too much trouble trying to individually part everything, I parted right where the point of my eyebrow is. So there's going to be 2 sections in this section, and then I'm going to split right under where my edge starts, if that makes sense. So it's going to be 4 sections, and there's going to be the first section where my ear is, that's 2 braids. The next section will be 3 braids. The next section will be 3 braids, and then the last one will be 4. So I made it super easy for myself so that I kind of knew what map to follow. So we're going in and just continuing braiding the hair. I feel like you guys have seen me add the hair enough. Overall, this style took me about 4 hours to complete because I was definitely on the phone chatting it up with Momo, but I think it came out super duper cute. I will link all the information down below for QVR Hair. If you choose to, whatever method you is alright with me. As long as you get to where you need to be. This is a vision meant for both of our eyes to see. Yeah, it feels so right. It can't be wrong. Where I am weak, baby, you make me strong. I'm down for you and whatever you want me to do. It's
Let me break it down and tell you what your sex is like.
I got so many compliments on this hair. I actually like these way more than the twist because you can really see the curls in the hair, and I just think it looks super good. I hope you guys enjoyed this protective style tutorial. Comment below and let me know, do you like the twist or the braids better? But I will see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.